Luminous hieroglyphs unscroll on invisible parchment. Luminous hieroglyphs backlit by a shell of chromatic radiance. Splayed pinpoints of lights, clusters of stars, asteroids, comets. My skull's inner chamber roils with smoldering embers of mugwort, frankincense, and myrrh. The pungent fingers of ghosts, elongated swerves of tar-brushed black, and incandescent vertebrae, undulating black nippled nakedness with copper locks writhing in serpentine flame. Hieroglyphs. Crackles of splintered lights glimmer on cushioned lips, eyes, refracted prisms, pupils, in two-car collision. Hieroglyphs. Budded vaginal folds, swollen with blood, billow and spill, night's amniotic waters, dissolving bitter crystals on my tongue. Splintered shards of silver light whirl Widdershин in concentric vacuum, rivulets, rife in rounded contours. Hieroglyphs. Gossamer fibers woven into the delicate architecture of my psyche. Outside my capsule of flesh, I watch through the scrim of undulating fire. I expand beyond my membrane of cellophane skin. Luminous hieroglyphs scroll on invisible parchment, embossed in golden, gilded refractions. Bubbly reds, sparkling greens, fuzzy yellows. I am an alien alphabet foaming in effervescence, swirling in a vortex of carbonated colors. I am an obscure tongue of the star system Sirius, speaking in the astral pictographs of the dog-headed Dogon. I am a syncopated melody, carved on the ancient walls of Temple Anubis. Luminous. I am vivified breath, exhaling variegated light. I am a penal eye revolving in the bush of ghosts. Luminous hieroglyphs. Luminous hieroglyphs unscroll on invisible parchment, backlit by a shell of chromatic, by a shell of chromatic, by a shell of chromatic, radiance, splayed pinpoints of light, clusters of stars, asteroids, comets. My skull's inner chamber royal with smoldering embers of mugwort, frankincense, and myrrh.